What I Wish I Knew at 20 instead of 30. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your money management skills, this video is for you. Let's get started. I don't think people understand personal finance. Personal finance is all about managing your money effectively to achieve your financial goals. It's not just about saving money, but also about making smart financial decisions. Today, we'll cover the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. You need to hear this if you're a beginner in personal finance. First up, budgeting. A budget is a plan that helps you manage your income and expenses. It's essential for understanding where your money goes and ensuring you're living within your means. Here are some steps to create a budget. 1. List your income. Start by listing all sources of income, including your salary, freelance work, or any other earnings. 2. Track your expenses. Write down all your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. 3. Categorize expenses. Group your expenses into categories like fixed, variable, and discretionary. 4. Set goals. Determine your financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. 5. Adjust and monitor. Regularly review and adjust your budget to stay on track. Sticking to a budget can be challenging, but it's crucial for financial stability. Use apps or spreadsheets to help you track your spending and stay organized. This is why you need effective saving tips. Saving money is essential for building an emergency fund and achieving your financial goals. Here are some tips for effective saving. 1. Set a savings goal. Determine how much you need to save and set a timeline. 2. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to make saving easier. 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending and redirect that money to your savings. 4. Build an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses for unexpected situations. Remember, every little bit adds up. Even small, consistent contributions to your savings can make a big difference over time. Now, let's move on to investing. Investing allows your money to grow over time and helps you build wealth. Here are the basics of investing. 1. Understand your options. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across various assets to reduce risk. 3. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. 4. Do your research. Understand the risks and potential returns of your investments. Investing can be intimidating, but starting small and increasing your investments over time can help you build confidence and wealth. Why are there not more people talking about debt management? Managing debt effectively is crucial for maintaining financial health. Here are some strategies for managing debt. 1. Understand your debt. Make a list of all your debts, including interest rates and minimum payments. 2. Prioritize payments. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, while making minimum payments on others. 3. Consider debt consolidation. If you have multiple debts, consolidating them into one payment can simplify your finances. 4. Avoid new debt. Try to limit new borrowing and focus on paying down existing debt. Managing debt requires discipline and planning, but it's essential for achieving financial freedom. Why are there not more people talking about mastering personal finance? In summary, mastering personal finance involves budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. By following these principles, you can take control of your finances and work towards your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.